Hello my crafty kitties, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for coming today and taking a look. I have a outgoing happy mail that I'm sending to my new friend Terry from Terry O. I will be linking her below. She has an awesome channel and she is very inspirational. I love her Tea Tuesdays, and she just does all kinds of paper crafting, and she's just very talented. She's been very supportive to my channel, and so I wanted to just send out some happy mail to her, and I hope that it will bless her and that she will enjoy it, and I believe she will. Hopefully by the time you see this video she would have already made hers, and so if she did, I will link her video of this unboxing below so you can take a look. Be sure and let her know I sent you, and let's get to it. So here, first of all, I told her I was going to send her a tag, and so this is the tag that I'm sending her. And I had you know, been working with the mermaid paper, and I had made some different types of cutouts, you know, besides this wedding kind of theme here that I'll show you here in a minute. And so yeah, I put some diamond dust on this flower and on this bird, and I think that just came out really pretty. I love how with the mermaid paper you're using different kinds of scraps, and so it'll, you know, pick up different bits and pieces. And then I've also made little flowers out of fabric here. These are little nylon right there, and I just think that looks really pretty. Sewed it all around, and then use this vintage lace, which I totally adore. I mean, this has got to be one of my favorite laces. It's so delicate and so pretty, and I think it looked really good here with this tag. So Terry, I hope you really love it and enjoy it. So here's that's the tag, and I did put handmade by Paper Kitty 99, so she will have that. And I made her a little thank you card, this little card topper that I made in the previous video, and I can attach that link to the description box below in case you want to take a look at how I made my mermaid paper. But yeah, I think this wedding dress came out really pretty. I put a little bit of tulle here, and like I said, I had already made this card topper. I just added the thank you and then attached it to this card. It's kind of a mixed media kind of you know, texture, and the back looks like this. It's got some vellum in it. I just felt like vellum was, you know, went along with this theme really nicely, so I hope that she really loves it. And I didn't want to write in it in case she wanted to use it, but I do want to thank her for her support of my channel, and also for blessing us with her content as well. So there's that, and then you have this lovely box that I've altered. It's a little box that little soap box, and I've altered it. I didn't alter the back, but I did alter the sides and the top, and I put some pretty little flowers in it because I know she likes paper flowers but has a little trouble making them, and so I thought it would be fun to make some for her and gift them to her. And so here they are. And yeah, on these basically I wanted to use some inking around the little die cuts, and then of course use the bone folder to, you know, shape up the petals, and then I put some pretty centers in there, and so I hope she really loves that. And so that's what we got here. And again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure and check out her channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you would like to be a subscriber. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.